Welcome to day 3. You've stopped fueling the fire. Now let's communicate directly with the nerves themselves. Many of you have tried a TENS unit, which just masks the pain. We're going to do the opposite. We're going to send a clear signal to re-educate the nerve. Think of your neuropathic nerves as being stuck on a radio channel full of static. Therapeutic nerve stimulation sends a clear, powerful signal that forces the nerve to fire correctly, interrupting the static and reminding it of its proper function. While our full program uses advanced therapeutic devices, you can simulate this effect right now with a technique called sensory re-education. For the next 5 minutes, I want you to sit down and run different textures over the most numb areas of your feet. Use a soft makeup brush, a rough towel, a cool spoon. Close your eyes and focus intently on the sensation. You are manually sending signals up that dormant pathway and forcing your brain to pay attention. You are starting the rewiring process. This is just one piece of the puzzle. Waking up the nerves is critical, but what about the lifeline that feeds them? In our next lesson, I'll show you how to open up the choked off blood vessels that are starving your nerves.